Hey everybody, I figured I'd take a minute and show you a garden project that I'm working on here. Just about got it finished. Our forecast for next week is going to be up in the 80s. That's not good for your lettuce usually, especially this stuff. This is really cold tolerant, so I'm guessing it's not going to be very heat tolerant. So I took a scrap piece of cattle panel and I made basically an arch over top of this, and use some metal band, like pipe banding that you like plumbers use for like holding up pipes and stuff, basically to make a hinge. And we can flip this open to get to our lettuce. And I'm going to got some old potato sacks here, and I'm going to use these to cover up plants, and you'll be able to see, if I throw these on here, that there's still light getting through. Can you see in there? Well, if you can see, it's just like a shade cloth, basically. It's a 4-man shade cloth. Still gets light through it, but yet it'll put shade on these to keep them a little bit cooler so that we can grow lettuce in the hotter temperatures. Just going to use some zip ties to hold these old potato sacks on. Really simple project. I just laid this out on the ground and kind of bent an arch into it and went from there. Just test fit it. And this should help us keep our lettuce well into these warmer temperatures. Yeah, here it is all finished. I got everything secured, and now just as simple as grabbing hold of it, open it up, get your lettuce, and close it back down, and it's in the shade again. Cost me absolutely $0 because I already had everything. The pipe banding is something that anybody that does any kind of outdoor projects, you should have that. It comes very, very handy. Like I said, we had these sitting around for years. This is an old rusty cattle panel that it was part of the cattle panel that was down here that I went ahead and took down and just reused it. And now we should be able to have lettuce for another month or two, hopefully, all the way through to where it cools down to where we can grow lettuce again without it. And I could take this off and switch it out and put plastic on here to grow stuff when it gets colder. So thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good day.